hey. Don't be mad at that creature, okay? Don't you for a second be mad at that beautiful thing right there. That thing, that moment that I just captured. That's just nature. That's nature at its most brutal, at its most beautiful. I mean, you were right here with me. We both saw it together, right? You saw exactly what that beautiful specimen was capable of. And I have it. I have it on tape for everyone to see. So don't you for a second be angry at that beautiful, gorgeous, stunning animal. Okay? If anything, be angry at me, because I'm the one who put your friend at peril. Okay? I'm the one who brought her down. Remember? Right when I said be angry at me, I didn't actually think you'd be angry at me. Okay? Okay. You're yelling now, and I don't think you're appreciating the actual beauty of what you just saw. What you just saw was art. What you just saw was priceless, okay? What you just saw people in the black market pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for. So don't be mad at me either, because I gave you an opportunity of a lifetime, okay? You can have infinite amount of friends, okay? You can get a new friend tomorrow. That's if you survive this next test. But you can get so many more friends. When will you ever get to experience something like that? Ever again, huh? The answer is never. You will never see anything as beautiful as like that ever again. Okay, that was a fucking great white. I mean, people pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for Makos. Fucking Makos. This was a great fucking white. So yeah. You're welcome.